Hi, I mentioned in my write-up how my sister and I received donated toys and clothes when we were living in Regent Park in public housing, and how that made for a special Christmas for us and probably also for our mom. And that memory inspired me to think of how I can build an app that would help people in Toronto find out more about nonprofit orgs in the city and to hopefully encourage them to donate. So I checked out the websites of various nonprofits in Toronto, and I noticed that they don't have an AI chatbot. So I came up with this app, DonataBot, which is an AI chatbot for nonprofit orgs. And the only requirement is that the nonprofit org has a website that follows a standard template, and then the DonataBot can provide an AI chatbot to answer questions for that nonprofit. For example, I have two installations of DonataBot. One is for the Yonge Street Mission, ysm.ca, and you see on their website they have this navigation bar. So this is the standard template I'm talking about that DonataBot uses. And the navigation bar, when you hover over each item in the nav bar, it brings up this sub menu where you can go to different pages on the website. And I also deployed this DonataBot for Covenant House Toronto. You go to a website, you see they also have the standard template of a nav bar, navigation bar with the sub menu, and you can go to different pages. So how the Nailbot uses the submenu from the navigation bar is it reads the items in the menu items, and it loads up this topic list. So you see this is a list of topics. You can see who we are, contact, what we do. This for YSM. That corresponds to the nav bar here. And for Covenant House Toronto, let's see, the topics are the problem or solution or impact, right? See the problem or solution or impact. And you can ask a question about one of these topics specifically, or you can just leave this box blank uh, to ask a question in general about the entire website. So, for example, let's see. Okay, I'll just leave the topic blank and I'll ask a question like, what problem are you trying to solve? Okay, and I'll click discover to discover information. Okay, the problem being addressed is homelessness and sex trafficking, particularly among youth aged 16 to 29. Okay, so this is a general answer retrieved from the website. If you want something more specific, you can select a specific topic, like the problem. And if we ask the same question again, you can type it in, or you can just click retry here. Retry is going to ask us the last question that you entered. So let's just do retry with the topic, the problem selected. So the nailbot is looking for the answer, and okay, the answer now is it's the same, but it gives more detail. The Covenant House provides a safe place for youth who are homeless, trafficked, or at risk. So the information about Covenant House providing a safe place is more specific. And let's try Yonge Street Mission. Okay, get involved. Let's try get involved. How can I get involved? Discover. Okay, so it's looking for an answer from the web page. Okay, so okay, this time it actually breaks it down into the ways you can get involved with the links to the website, which you can check out, get involved here. So let's try to ask a specific question. How about volunteering? So I see volunteering here, so I want to see, uh, can I volunteer? Okay, I'll also ask about, and uh, what events are there? Okay, so this is asking two things actually in one question. So let's see how Donato handles that. Okay, you have to scroll down. Okay, so you can volunteer at Young Street Mission. And there are short-term volunteer opportunities. And okay, so you need a police reference check all this information to help you. Okay, let's try the Covenant House Toronto Donato bot. Let's see, what could I ask about? Oh, donate, of course. Um, so I can just ask a general question. Let's see what it comes up. How can I donate? Okay, click discover. Okay, making one-time gift, leadership gifts. Okay, donate in form of securities. Okay, what if I select the donate topic and ask the same question? I'll retry. See if it gives me more details. Oh, it just it just gives a link. Let's see. Okay, what if I want to go there, right? Like, what's your address and phone number? Okay, and let's just make this a general question. Discover. Okay, so it gives the address, right? 20 Gerard Street East, phone number. Okay, let's see. I want to ask, like, what can I donate? What can I donate? Can I donate used items? Actually, just ask, can I donate toys? Since it's like close to the holidays. Okay, I'll select donate here. Let's see. Try to get a specific answer. Can you scroll down? Okay, there's a toy market. For more details, check the website. Yes, you can donate toys. Okay, what if I ask that question in general? See the answer. Okay, you can donate new and unopened toys to the YSM toy market. Okay, good. So that's a demo of how DonatoBot works. And as I said, it's an AI chatbot that can be used for any nonprofit org. Um, that is a website that has this standard template with the navigation bar and the submenu that goes to different pages. And the nanobot will answer questions in natural language, any in free form language that you ask using the information that it gets from the web pages for each submenu. Okay, thanks for listening to me.